Alright, here we got my fuel tank. Let's see if we take a peek inside there. Not very good. Aha, flash on. So it's probably a mixture of varnish and rust. And I'm gonna see if I can't get that taken care of so I'm not getting that crap in my fuel. Alright, while I'm waiting for some more carb parts to get here, I've got a couple. I've moved on to the gas tank. Here's my petcock. Got it taken off. And we're cleaning it, so I got it undone. You gotta see this bad boy. Let's see if I get it in the light. Ooh, yeah, that's rubbing right in my gasoline and going right into my gas tank, right into my brand new clean carbs. So that's why we're cleaning this out. And it's got this screen. Oh, it's just so nasty. So we are going to blast this thing with some carb cleaner. Then we'll have to move on to the gas tank. There we go, much cleaner. Just a little bit of, is it gonna focus? Probably, there we go. A little bit of corrosion in there, but I took the steel wool in there, and I think it's good enough. Little screen here is still pretty good, so is that gasket, so we're just gonna put it right back together. Alright, so we got my gas tank here. Now the CX500 Deluxe has a 4.5 gallon tank, so I put 4.5 gallons of vinegar into the tank. We'll take this out and set it there. I took all the stuff off just to make it a little easier. Where's my flashlight? Okay. Oop, now it's on. You can kind of see into there. I want to get this stuff out of the way. You can see stuff's kind of, there you go. You can kind of get a little bit of peek down to the bottom. It is starting to look a little bit better. I'm probably going to leave it another day. It hasn't been quite 24 hours since I've done this. I was thinking 24 hours would be enough, but probably not. So, probably do it for another day. And we're right back at it. It's been a couple days. So the top up here still looks pretty bad, but look on the inside. It is looking pretty good. That might just be a little bit of flash in the rust right there or something, but the rest of the tank, oops, focus down there, looks really good. That's the good news. Bad news, sorry, forgive the camera angle, focus over. On the bottom, right there, little pinhole leak, right there, and right there. Now those are the only two I can find. It doesn't seem like any of the seams are leaking, and I've looked everywhere else on this thing with my big light, and I can't see anywhere else. That's just wet because I've been cleaning it. I can't see anywhere else where there would be a leak, so we're gonna see if we can't get that fixed. I know they make JB weld kits. I'd rather not go that route. I'd rather take it to like a fabrication shop, see if they can't weld it. We'll see what I can do. Okay, gas tank is back from the welder. As you can see, there was 2 holes here, 2 holes here, 3 holes here. My friend Tig welded those together. He did a really awesome job. They're a little bumpy, but it's the underside. I don't really care. And it just looks fantastic. I'm really pleased. So I think the plan with this tank will be to actually strip all of the paint off of it. I'm going to strip it all down eventually, not anytime soon. But I'm just going to take it all off. Then I can get some proper rust removal on like little spots like that. And then I'll do some more rust remover on the inside. And then whatever holes pop, I'll just get those welded up and fixed. Because otherwise the tank is in decent condition. Then I think I'll prime it, and I'll probably just leave it primed. And then probably just plastidip it every year or something. And that's it. Tank is back on the bike along with my seat and my side covers. Everything's pretty much done. So here's what I've done with my fuel system. I put in an angled fuel filter right there, and then I did just go out for a drive and I did just test the petcock. So it did quote unquote run out of gas when it was on full. And so, which is great, you want it to run out of gas while it's on full. That lets you know that you only have a little bit of gas left, and you flip it to reserve. And then you can drive to a gas station and you know when to fill up, because this is your fuel gauge on these old bikes. So I do know it's on off now, but I know I just need to go get some more gas. And tires, because these tires are super old. All right, thank you for watching.